Here we have the cylinder cupboard. We've removed an old vented cylinder and replaced it with a 200 litre unvented cylinder with a volumizer, thermal store and all the associated pipework. Here we have the home control unit where the homeowners can control the heating, hot waters and scheduling of their ASHP.